Hi guys, my name is Paddy and welcome to our YouTube channel. We called Mech Consult, and this is actually like an introductory video on what Mech Consult is all about. Guys, I'm camera shy, so I believe with time, as I keep doing this continuously, I'll definitely get used to it. So, I'm actually a car fanatic, Mercedes to be precise, and I'm a huge fan of the C class. So at the moment, I've got a W205, a 2016 stock that I bought C200 that I've been working on lately. When I mean lately, I mean it for like 2 years. I barely drive the car. I'm always on my DUCATI, or I've got an Audi A3 that I actually drive, a daily runner. So in a month, I basically drive the Mercedes like 2, 3 times max, except there is an emergency like today, which is a work day that I had to bring it out. So at the moment, I'm actually at the top of Signal Hill in Cape Town, South Africa. So like I said, it's stock in the stock, but not stock. So I went out looking 2 years ago for a C class, a C200 to be precise, because yeah, I know I couldn't afford to pay for a C300 or a C43 or a C63 at that time. So I decided, okay, I was going to look for a special C200. When I mean a special C200, I was looking for a C200 that had almost all the add-ons. And luckily, I found this one. Her name is Snow, by the way. She's got a YouTube channel now, which is this that we are on. She's got an Instagram and a TikTok. So you definitely see that on your screen and in the caption, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and follow so more people can actually see our videos as we actually go on. So quick one, I have done a steering customization that I did from Liechtenstein, and I'll tell you how much it cost me as time goes on, and also show you guys what it used to look like and now what it looks like. Then I also did a performance exhausts with Valvetronic. I was actually looking to get the Amatrix or the Apaprovic. Sorry for my the way I pronounce. I believe that has got to do with my accent. But we don't have them locally in South Africa, so I was actually going to bring them from overseas, but it was going to cost me so much. Customs duties, shipping because of the size. So I was advised, why don't I do one locally? They could actually build a very good one for me, which Wolf Chip Technique in Cape Town did for me. And I wouldn't lie, I'm happy with it. I've been using it now for almost 2 years, and I am really, really happy with their job. So I actually got some body kits, which I'm going to show you guys in this same video. So please watch till the end, because there's a lot in this video and there is still more to come. So like from the steering to performance exhaust to some interior decor that I also did. Like the car didn't come with the wireless charging, so luckily I got a kit that could do wireless charging as long as your phone is has got that feature. So it also has a wireless charging now. And then I also did a dynamic sequential trafficator side pointers. Some countries call it pointers, some call it trafficators. So whichever one, I also added that. Then I changed the grill from it came with a diamond grill. So I upgraded the grill from a diamond grill to a 663 grill, to get more air into the radiator. Then I got a Brabus badge. So sorry, I'm digressing now. I actually posted a video before now on TikTok, and I was actually bashed. And I don't know why people will come in the comment section and do that. So there is a company called Brabus. Brabus actually used to do performance strict mainly on Mercedes, but now I see they've branched into even Porsche. Some people call it Porsche. I call it Porsche. But now I see they've actually diverged into other cars, which is good. But now Brabus sells kits made for Mercedes. If you're lucky, they have for C class, for S class. So like I actually told myself during COVID, I started buying these kits and I was keeping them, buying and keeping it in storage in the US, buying and keeping it in storage in the US. I was actually doing that simply to save more on shipping. So, if you ship them directly to South Africa in bits, it's going to cost me more. But then if I ship it to storage in the US, which is cheap, I pay $10 a month. And then when everything was big enough, then I ship them down here. So that was basically what I did, and I don't think there is any crime in doing that. So I bought Brabus kits like from the badge, the front badge and the grill. The grill also came from Brabus. I got there was this LED light that I'll show you guys as time goes on. It lights on. It's a small LED Brabus badge on the Brabus also, on the grill. Sorry. Then I also got a Brabus lip. I got a Brabus diffuser. I got what else? I was actually going to get the Brabus steering, but unfortunately, I was told at the moment the supplier told me he doesn't have any Brabus steering that would fit a W205 at the moment. So I was like, okay, then it's fine. I can't wait any longer. Just let's go with my design, which I said I will show you guys as time goes on. I changed the air conditioned vents from the stock to I upgraded it to a more recent one, and yeah, that is basically what I would say I have actually done. So like the center cap of the wheels also, I changed it to this solar charged center cap. So what it means is when I drive, it spins. While it spins, it charges. So at night, it becomes really visible because it lights up and then becomes blue. You see this blue light on the spinning wheel as I drive. Then the valve cover also, I was fortunate enough to get the Brabus valve cover. So like all these add-ons, I actually put on it. At that time, I haven't done the performance exhaust. So now the car looks really mean. It looks really nice, but now it doesn't sound the way it looks, if you understand what I mean. So then I decided, okay, then I was going to visit Wolf Chip. I did my research, visited Wolf Chip about 2 times because I was really really scared on working on the engine, and when checking reviews online, checking people who have done it to their C200, what the result was, I saw some complaints, and which unfortunately for me, the guy I met at Wolf Chip, his name is Freddie, actually explained to me how it works. Also, my fear, he told me my fear even before I got to it, which was something very, very good. And it was like, you know what, Paddy, once the performance is done, just because the catalytic converter will be taken out, the check engine light is gonna come on. So what we're gonna do is we're going to reload the software. So I'm like, okay, so if you do that, then it means the check engine light won't come on because the software on it is not the same. It's not going to work with what they are going to install, which makes a lot of sense. So luckily, when they did that, everything was fine. And I've been driving it since then. Like I said, now almost 2 years that I've been actually driving the car. It hasn't given me any problem. I still service it at Mercedes because when I bought the car, I bought it cash. It wasn't like I was it was financed that I wouldn't be able to do any modification on it. So yeah, I have done that. I actually also got some ads on like a heads up display that I bought online, and I'll show you guys as time goes on. So yeah, there it is. Basically that is what I have actually done on my C200, and I would really appreciate it, like I said, if you guys like, follow and share this video for more people to see, so people who are still scared like I used to be scared can also um actually know that yeah, it's possible. You can actually make your car really look better even if you're in South Africa. There are companies here that can actually do the job. So after that, after I did all this, I actually took it to the archive. They call the archive. So I met a guy there called Johan. He actually did paint correction, decontamination, and then I was caught in between wrapping and ceramic coating. I decided to go for ceramic coating because I didn't like the idea of taking parts of my car, you know, because if you take it off and put it back, it's definitely not going to look the same. So wrapping was going to mean I would have to take parts off, which I didn't want. So luckily they didn't do that, and they did a very, very good job. I've had ceramic coating on for like 2 years now, and looks intact. And yeah, I also did another ads on that we added was a tail light. It's really unique. I think it's the signature of this car. But now what happened was it's damaged, but luckily it's still on warranty. So I had to complain to the supplier, and luckily because it's still under warranty, they had to manufacture another one for me. So it's being shipped as we speak, which I will add on later. But I'm here on Signal Hill today, just waiting for the sun to go down. But though before the sun goes down, I want to take some pictures. Then when the sun goes down and Cape Town is lit up, I also want to take some cool shots, which you guys will see. Kindly follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're going to be posting a lot of content as time goes on, and we're going to be showing you guys what the car used to look like and what it looks like right now. Thank you. Till the next one. Bye.